it's Liberty from My Pen Addiction, and I know from my parkour video I've been getting a lot of questions on how to emboss. So this is my Doris heat tool, again from Amazon, not sponsored, and I have two Emboss It pens by Ranger. I just use these to get the glitter down, and I actually have some of my glitter in a Wilton like icing thing just because I find it easy. So I'm just going to put a little bit of the pen down in the shape of a heart. So this one's a black one. Then I'll show you the, so this basically gets sticky for the glitter. And then I'll show you the white one too. I really like embossing. It can be used to make cards and things like that. And it can be done so many things. So this I believe is gold glitter in here. And I will put on a little thing to funnel. I like to have a glitter folder. So again, I let it set for a minute. I will show you this glitter along with a couple others if I can get some more. So see, I got this glitter right here. So you want to be very generous. I will put almost the whole container in here because that's why you have a sheet. I feel like the white takes up the black better, or the white takes up more glitter than the black does, or the black just dries faster. So see. I'm going to try to get as much back in here as possible. The hardest thing is transferring the excess, for sure. Okay, it worked out pretty darn well. Not gonna complain, it has been worse. And then you want to get this paper as clean as possible. So if you don't want glitter there, you got to take it off. So here, I just messed this up, so again, I'm going to use the extra and just do one more coat just to be careful. And then put it right back in because this glitter is not going anywhere after we heat it. So now we're going to put on our Doris tool. It gets real hot real fast. And just go right over it. Just for a little bit because you can burn the paper. And do you see that beautiful gold foil? But see here, almost no glitter comes off, and it is a beautiful sparkle foil. So let me show you a couple other colors, couple other finishes, and things you can do with embossing. And we'll do one color at a time, so we can always change it up. So I think we'll do the black right now. Ooh, this one's thick. So when they're thicker, you just want to try to spread it, because look how much you're going to be putting on here. Look at that, that's piles. Then you're going to try to get it back in the tin. Again, highly recommend having a folder. And then see, you're going to end up doing multiple. Okay, I'm not loving this black because it's also got gray in it. But look at, I took out almost half the container. Okay, so now it's covered in the gray and black. So now I'm going to try to transfer some of this black back in. Again, I'm just going to take off any excess that's not on there. And let's see how this one goes. This one, I'm not sure exactly. We will do multiple if we have to. But you may want to get a little funnel is what I meant to say. Oh, there you go. You got to get up real close for this. And yes, this one may transfer a little bit, but it does give it some character. It is very pretty with some nice black speckles. So now we're going to do a bright gold. I'm going to do some dots in the front, inside the pen, just to give it some more oomph, you should say. And you may get a little bit of like overfill to the other colors, but again, I put on a lot. As I said, some need to be a lot held on a lot longer than others, but do be careful, do it in sections. You can burn the paper, but it does get in the end this nice, just shiny look. Alright, so now we got one, or a couple more we'll do. And these pens can run out quickly, but as I said, they are not expensive whatsoever. Now we're going to do this with a more just gold, like true gold. And sometimes some people I know, to save some product, they will just kind of like use that big chunk they had, and there you go. It covered it with the trunk that I originally had, so I did not need to pour over the whole thing, although I will do a couple extra. I don't know if you can see that, but there's literal sparkles. Gosh, that looks so good. There you go, my pen addiction. And you can tell it did give some character to the paper. Around where it was heated, it is lighter. Oh, do we want to do our mix? Yeah. On one. Or let's do a mix on half. Mix on half of it. And half. And on the bottom half here. Okay. And if it bleeds into something else, just embrace it. Honestly, you learn things over time, you learn new techniques, you learn new things. Whatever happens, happened for a reason. That is fantastic. And it did miss a couple spots, but it gives it character. Look at that shine. So yeah, again, super cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this embossing tutorial.